Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have an Aldi haul, and I did stop at the Dollar Tree and picked up a few things. So let's get started. So if we come over here, may as well stop at the start over here at the Dollar Tree items. Only got these few little things here. So I saw these. Aren't they beautiful? They look like feathers. I think that's cardboard there, and they're stickers. So it's a 12 piece. It's a lot. That's pretty nice. So I got those. That was the only one that was left. And then I picked up two of the Mod Podge. Okay. And then I like these Sure Fresh containers. I really do. Absolutely love them. So I just grabbed another one of those. And then these came back. So this is like pearl wrap in the silver and in the gold. So I grabbed one of each for crafting. Now they normally have the hot pink. These are not pink. I don't know how they're appearing on the camera, but they're purple. So this is the first time I'm ever seeing purple. So I grabbed two of these diamond wraps. So that's all that I got from the Dollar Tree. So let's move on to the Aldi stuff. Okay, so these chicken nuggets I pretty much always pick up, and that is by Kirkwood. They're fully cooked and they're $2.89. So I grabbed one of those. Then I grabbed these Clancy potato chips, the cheddar sour cream. And it's a pretty nice size bag. I think these were $1 something. I don't have my receipt with me today, but I grabbed two of those. And I normally get these steaks. They are the Black Angus petite sirloin steaks. You get 3, and this one was $5.51. Isn't that a great buy? I thought that was a great buy. Then I got some coleslaw. Okay, this is from Little Salad Bar, and that was $1.29. So I grabbed 3 of those. Then over here I grabbed some self-rising flour, and 3-pack is 89 cents. So I grabbed 3 of these. Then the eggs, I didn't check the price of the eggs, if that was $1.12 I believe. So I just grabbed 2 of the eggs. Then I do know that the corn, and that's by Happy Harvest, sweet corn in the can. I got 3 cans and they were 47 cents each. So I grabbed 3 of those. Okay, then I needed some butter. So that's by Countryside Creamery Butter, but I'm not sure what the price is for that. I always grab the cheese there. So we grab these blocks, and these blocks I already know by heart. They're $1.45 by Happy Farms. So I grabbed just 2. And I always get my cream is $1.09 for this size container, 16 ounce. So I grabbed 3 of those. Then the pancakes mix, this one here, this is $1.29 also. So I grabbed one of those. And then the bagels in the wintertime, they were $1, but now they're $1.49. And that's by Love and Fresh. And these are the plain ones. I grabbed 2 of these. And then I bought some sunflower seeds. That's by Southern Grove. And I'm not sure what the price is to that one, but it's a pretty big bag. 16 ounce. So I grabbed that. Now the flour, I grabbed 2 of the flour, and that's by Baker's Choice. I'm sorry, Baker's Corner, regular white flour, and not sure, but I'm maybe $1.29, but I'm not positive. I grabbed 2 of those, and these were $1.09 for the dry cranberries in this bag. It's a 6 ounce bag. So I grabbed 2 of those and put them in salad. Then I grab the pancake syrup, and I'm not sure how much that is, but I grabbed one of those. And then the vegetable oil by Carlini, pure vegetable oil, that's $1.79. And then the last thing I got was these seasoned French fries, and I didn't check the price. I can't find my receipt, but that's pretty much all I got as far as my haul today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.